we've seen a tremendous explosion in machine learning over the past 7 or 8 years, as we've seen larger data sets and more advanced computer processing power enable learning machines that can be trained on data rather than rules-based systems. And militaries are also working on adopting this technology, using AI to filter through satellite images or drone images is the kind of thing that the military is very interested in, and they're already taking steps in making that a reality. It's actually what militaries would call the command and control that's different. And that is perhaps one of the most game-changing applications of AI. It's actually in processing information, transmitting information, having better coordination among military forces, and AI can help with that. It can help the military be more organized, more efficient, and save potentially billions of dollars. And a lot of innovations happening outside of defense labs in the commercial space. The problem is that when militaries are bringing in commercial technologies, they're also bringing in a lot of these vulnerabilities. We know that machine learning systems today are extremely vulnerable to a whole range of hacking and spoofing and various manipulation attacks. So militaries are going to be forced to deal with a reality where in the future, they're going to put things out into a wartime environment. And there's always going to be some risk that it does something crazy that they didn't anticipate. And in fact, the enemy is going to try to exploit that. They're looking for those vulnerabilities. The US and its allies need to ensure that they're adopting AI in a way that leads to systems that are secure, reliable, and trustworthy. We need to work with our democratic partners and allies to help establish norms for how this technology should be used. And we'll also need to sit down with potential adversaries to avoid some of these risks, like a race to the bottom on safety. And so there is, I think, an opportunity to incentivize everyone to slow down and make sure that we're not deploying untested, unsafe AI systems into environments where they may have accidents. That's not in anyone's interest.